Yes, good morning students. I welcome you all to the online session today. So, what is the class we are going to see today? That is our science, right? Science. So, in that, what is the part we are going to see? So, that is science has three parts, right? So, in the three parts, what are the three parts of science? That is physics, chemistry, and then one more. I can't hear. Yes, good. Biology. In that, so physics deals with study of nature. Good. And then chemistry, study of chemicals. And then bio, that it has how many parts? Biology has how many parts? I think you all had your breakfast, right? Then tell me your answers louder. So it has two parts. They are botany and zoology, that is zoo. Botany is the study of plants and zoology means animals. Clear? So these components of food. Our second chapter in biology is components of food. What is the chapter that we have seen in the last class? We had seen in our last class. Can you able to remember the topic? Could you tell me your answers please? Yes? Good. What is that? Food. Food. Where does it come from? Food. Where does it come from? And the second chapter is components of food. First we have seen about food. Now we are going to see what is there inside the food. Clear? What is there inside the food? So different kinds of food. As I already said you in the last class, what is meant by meals? Few answers are coming. Others, what is meant by meals? Listen here. Before you come to the class, just once revise what has been taught in the last class. Then only you can able to answer. So, just go through once what we have seen in our last class and then come for the session. Okay? So, it will be easy for you to have a follow of all the classes. Clear? Yes, good. So, here there are different kinds of food which is shown in the picture. Right? What is meant by food first? What is meant by food first? Could you tell me your answers? Good. Food is nothing but which gives us energy. Food is nothing but which gives us energy. Clear? So here there are different kinds of food. In whether all over the country the people eat same kind of food? No. It depends on their type of agricultural practices which they do and the type of rainfall they get, and also mainly dependent on the soil. So people eat according to that. In south side we eat mostly rice, but in north side they eat chapatis. So it is based on the climatic conditions, although the food may vary. So these are the different food items eaten in different parts of India. Here you are able to see what? You are able to see? Yes, louder. You are able to see different kinds of food with in our map. So first we will have a look into it. South. South, what is the major food? That is idli, sambar and then Mysore pak. So Kerala, appam, avial and fish. And then Hyderabad, there mainly it is biryani. Then east side, fish. And then west central, dal, kurma, etc. Now coming to the topmost north, pulao. So there are different kinds of food they eat all over the country. Clear? But Tamil Nadu, if we say foods of Tamil Nadu, what will come to your mind? Food in Tamil Nadu, what will come to your mind? So, idli, sambar, dosa, right? Next. So, these are all the content which we are going to see today. So, the first one is introduction, next nutrients, test for nutrients, and the remaining will be taught in the next class. They are what do various nutrients do for our body, balanced diet, deficiency diseases, and then we will have a recap. Now we will look into the lessons. First, however, did you ever notice that our meals contain varieties of food, right? First, tell me what is meant by meals. Your answers, please. What is meant by meals? Yes, come on, your answers are correct. Why are you hesitating to tell the answer? Good. Meals are nothing but food taken at one time of a day is called as meal. Totally how many types are there? 4. Good. 4 means what is the first? Morning, breakfast, afternoon lunch, evening snacks, and then night dinner. So, why do we normally for breakfast what do we have? Tiffin items, right? And then afternoon rice, evening snacks, and then night again tiffin. So why do we have different types of meals? Why can't we have the same rice for all the 4 times? Why? Just imagine and try to tell your answers. So because the rice, it gives only carbohydrates. For our growth and development, we need different types of nutrients. So only we take different kinds of meals at each time. So now what is meant by food? Which gives energy to our body. Now you are going to tell me the answers. What is the functions of food? What are the functions of food? Your answers. I am waiting. Tell me fast. It helps to growth. It gives energy to our body. Then one more. It helps in maintaining body temperature. Yeah, good. So, you are daily having a glance. Next, what is meant by nutrients? It is nothing but substance in the food that our body needs to function properly. Nutrients is nothing but the component which is present in the food. Totally there are 6 basic nutrients. How many types? 6 basic nutrients. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamin, minerals, and mainly water. Clear? Yeah. So, what are the major functions of nutrients? That means major of functions of nutrients and the functions of food are the same. Because nutrients, nothing but what we get from the food, nutrient. So the major functions of nutrients and the functions of food both are same. First one is to provide energy. Clear? Second one is to promote growth and development of the body. The third one is to regulate body functions. Clear? These are the different types of nutrients. And down it has some sources. Carbohydrates, where do we get from? From rice. And protein from fish. And fat from oil items. Vitamins from fruits. Minerals also from fruits and vegetables. And then water. Shall we move to the next one? Say yes or no. Be energetic. Yes. So, a question for you now. The solution of caustic soda is. What do you mean by caustic soda first? Caustic soda. Your options are A. Colorless, B. Blue, C. Yellow. What is the color of that caustic soda? So for that you need to know what is meant by caustic soda. It is nothing but used at the house for cleaning toilets. So it is looks like the salt. When it is mixed with water, it becomes, the answer is yes, louder, colorless. So the solution of caustic soda is colorless. It is used to repair the pipes, because when the salts get coagulated into the pipes, so the path of water will be blocked. So if we use caustic soda solution inside that, it will be corrected. Clear? Next one. So I said carbohydrate. It is one of the major components from the food we get. So what are the sources we get carbohydrates? As I already said you, rice. Good. Then fruits, nuts, etc. So how does carbohydrates formed? It is formed due to the process of photosynthesis. Carbohydrate is formed due to by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but it is the process by which green plants make their own food. Photosynthesis is nothing but it is a process by which green plants make their own food. Clear? Now repeat me the answer. What is meant by photosynthesis? Yes, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Yes, good. Excellent. You are telling the answer is correct. So photosynthesis is nothing but process of making its own food by green plants. Now we will do the next. Next one is, I said, next to carbohydrate, proteins. That is, the protein came from Greek word prota. That is of rank first. So protein is of primary importance. Proteins is of primary, that is first. The preference is given to the protein in the nutrients list. So these molecules were described and named by Swedish chemist, that is Johannes Jacob Berzelius. Repeat me. Johannes Jacob Berzelius in 1938. So these are the sources of protein, that is nuts, cereals, pulses and greens. Clear? Next. So at last coming to fat. What is meant by fat? Fat is also one of the, yes, clearly, fat is one of the nutrients. So it consists of large number of components in it. They are soluble in water. Okay. So now we will have a recap what we have seen from the first in this session. Okay. So we have seen about the nutrients. Definition for nutrients, types of nutrients, and then now you are going to tell me the answers. I won't open my mouth. Okay. So what is meant by carbohydrate? How it is prepared? Yes. Tell me your answers. Yes, good, excellent. Clap for yourself. So, carbohydrate is nothing but it is of primary importance. The sources are rice, cereals, etc. So, how it is prepared? What is the process name? The process name is photo. Photo means what? What is meant by photo? Taking photos, right? In your cameras or in your mobile phones. So nothing but photo means light. Synthesis means to combine. So this process takes place in the presence of sunlight. Clear? And then last we have seen about fat. Fat is nothing but they are generally soluble in organic compounds, and the sources of fat are milk, flesh, egg, etc. Up to this, I hope you are clear. If you have any doubt, just don't hesitate to ask. The remaining we will continue in the next slot. Thank you.